Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Chin Rodriguez, my Mesagli channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong hapon, natatigan natin nagsabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a monthly gabay for the month of July 2024 for the sign of Pisces. So, Pisces, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Pisces ang ating mga kagilap. So, guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasaga. Because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and yung notification bell for more videos update. And of course, maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads, naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal siksik-liglig na gumapaw na biyayang manabalik sa inyo. So let's see what is the messages advice sa iyo ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Pisces. Angel spirit, please give informations. Let's see and watch this. And there's an 8 of cups, so something moving on, something moving forward. So something pagpakawala, parang gano'n, no? Kailangan mo na makalaya, kailangan mo na makabangon, you need to moving on. Moving on for what? From heartache, from heartbreak, from tanga-tangahan. Charis. Ano ba to? Ano yung kailangan mo ka-move on? What? You moving on for what? So, there's a chart because you need to taking actions, no? Kailangan mo ng kumilos, kailangan mo ng gumala, or kailangan mo ng bumangon, ganon. There's something moving forward. Additional messages. And I guess, let's see. Yeah, I told you. So, this is something higher from education. So, this is something a lesson learned. Diba, matuto ka na. So, ibig sabihin na you need to moving forward. For what? For moving on. For moving on for what? From heartbreak. From tanga-tanga. For martyr-martyran. For being marupok. Ha? There's something an 8 of swords. No? Napapalibutan ka ng 9 of swords, sorry. There's something anxieties or sleepless night. So, some of you guys, no, kumbaga, na-depress ka, na-stress ka, hindi ka makatulog, hindi ka mapakalip. Dahil dito sa taong to, no, additional messages. So, this is the Ace of Pentacles with a big money or big opportunities. So, this is a big shot, guys, no? May malaking opportunities na papasok sa buhay mo or either, kaya hindi ka makamove on kasi malaking perang nawala sa'yo. So, let's see what is additional messages. So, there's an information with the 2 of Swords with an indecision. Now, may mga bagay na nahihirapan ka pa magdesisyon. Nahihirapan ka pa kung anong gagawin mo. Kung ano yung gagawin mong action, no? So, let's see what is the 8 of Cups. 8 of Cups represent what? So, this is the Ace of Cups. So, see something, oh my goodness. So, see something, moving for what? From marupok. This is the Ace of Cups for a new love life. No? May bagong pag-ibig, ha? Kaya wag ka nag-i-stay dyan sa isa lang. No? Wag kang kumbaga, alam mo na niloko na pinagdaroan ka, nag-expect ka pang balikan ka pa ulit from the second time around or from the third time around or something. So, you need to moving on for that person, guys. No? Kasi may taong darating na for you na magbibigay sa'yo ng new beginning and new love. Talagang, this is something, a person na parang iba sa taong kinagisnan mo. So, let's see what is the chart card. So, there's something, a 7 of Cups. So, something, confusion or opportunities, no? Maaaring naguguluhan ka pa kung ano yung gagawin mong actions. But, kung hayaan mo siyang mag-fulfill, no? Kung gagawin mo yung dapat mong gawin, magtrabaho ka, magnegosyo ka, kung tutukan mo yung sarili mo, no? Let's see what is the Hierophant. From the Hierophant lesson, represent what? So, this is a 10 of Wands, so something burden, no? Marami kang pinagdaanan, obligasyon, responsibilidad, no? Kumbaga, nahirapan ka from this situation, guys. No, you need to moving forward, na matuto ka na. No, wag ka nang, diba? Wag ka nang marumpok or anything na babalik ka sa nakaraan. Gano'n, kumbaga, mahal mo pa, pero, diba? Hindi na dapat. Diba? So, let's see what is the Knight of Swords. So there's something the worker with the travel, guys. No, may travel dito, guys. So or either there's something kumbaga magkaiba kayo ng lahi, or either nasa ibang bansa siya, or kumbaga there's a long distance relationship. So nagkaroon to ng anxiety, so sleepless night kasi nag-iisip ka. And of course ngayon gusto mo mag-travel na. Kung gusto mo mag-ibang bansa, gusto mo magtrabaho, makalaya, ganon. This is the Ace of Pentacles, represent the King or the Emperor, no? You are being a boss, no? Maaring leader ka or maaring manager ka na mataas ang standard mo pagdating sa business or trabaho, no? Or maaaring kumaga may sarili kang business, may sarili kang negosyo. Additional messages with the Two of Swords. There's a Five of Cups. So there's a disappointment or regret, no? Marami kang pinaghihinayangan or pinagsisisihan sa nangyari sa nakaraan. Pero, kumbaga, kaya pala nahihirapan ka mag-decision kasi parang malaking in-invest mo sa tao na to. No? Or either, kumbaga, this is something on disappointment, losses, no? Kumbaga, marami kang napakawalang opportunity dahil din sa tao na to. So let's see what is the Eight of Cups and the Ace of Cups. Represent what? The Four of Wands. So something celebration, guys. There's a something homecoming. No? Maaring kasal kayo or maaring ikakasal ka with other person, no? Bari magkaroon ka na something wedding, celebration, homecoming, family gathering, na events, no? Request sinasabi dito, maaring magkaroon ng proposal, engagement, no? Higher level commitment. So let's see what is the something that chariot card requires the Seven of Cups. The chariot card is the Seven of Cups represent what? So there's a Three of Cups. So there's a third party. Oh, there's a something celebration, guys. Maring there's a third party involved, no? Na kumbaga kailangan mo kumilos, no? Kumbaga ginugulo ka lang ng mga tao sa paligid mo. There's a something makipag-socialize ka with your friends. Or is maring isa sa nanggulo sa iyo ay maaring mga kaibigan mo, or maaring mga kamag-anak mo, or maaring there's some mutual friends, or maaring kumbaga pamilya ng person mo. Now, there's a third party involved. So, let's see what is a higher fight request, the Ten of Wands. So, this is something a six so already does transition at makakalis ka na sa situation. No, kailangan mong makalis. At, kumbaga, ito na yung pagkalma ng tubig na maaaring, kumbaga, wag mong gawin yung isang bagay na alam mo na doon ka sa aggressive, no, or being tension. No, kumbaga, kailangan pakalmahin mo muna yung sitwasyon. This is something a Nine of Wands for slowly and steady. No, slowly but surely. Kailangan alamin mo sa sarili mo na magbibigay sa iyo ng pangmatagalang sitwasyon. So, let's see what is the Ace of Pentacles and the Emperor. So, there's an information with Seven of Pentacles. Harvest time. So, see? So, kumbaga, yung mga bagay na in-invest mo before maaring may mga consequences yan, no? Kumbaga, dahil sa madiskarte ka, matalino ka pagdating sa finances, or pagdating sa masipag ka, maaring mag-grow ka from your own, no? Maaring magbibigay ng katuparan to sa mga pangarap mo, magiging boss ka someday, magkakaroon ka ng business, magkakaroon ka ng sarili mong buhay or something na magbibigay sa iyo ng high standard, no? Parang kumbaga binago ka dito ng mga nangyari sa iyo or babaguhin ka dito sa mga bagay na nangyari sa iyo. So let's see what is the Two of Swords that requires that. The Five of Cups. So there's something a Queen of Pentacles. So this is something of practicality. So pagdating sa finances, kailangan mo maging practical. Ay, isa sa magiging decision mo, yung maging practical pagdating sa finances, no? Huwag mo nang isipin yung nangyari sa iyo or nawala sa yung bagay o pera, no? Kailangan mong bumangon. There's a Nine of Pentacles with the secure. Ngayon, mas maging secure ka na. Mas maging mautak at maging wais ka na. Additional messages for the outcome. And of course, there's something information with the Five of Wands. So, there's a complications, no? Kumaga, maraming complication dito or something, kumaga, nandun ka sa part na complication with the Hangman, no? You're feeling hang. You're feeling stuck. Nalutang ka pa eh. No, parang kang kumaga sa may hangover ka pa eh. And of course, there's the King of Pentacles being practicality and secure. Na maging secure ka sa pagdating sa finances mo at maging practical ka. No? Additional messages. Additional messages with the career. Pagdating sa career mo, there's a Five of Swords. No, nagkakaroon ng self-sabotage because of your action. Kasi nga marupok ka. And of course, there's a something harvest card, no? Self-love, self-care, no? There's a something mahalin mo yung sarili mo. Even your business, no? Nagkakaroon ka self-sabotage dahil mababa. Kumbaga, mababa yung loob mo eh, no? Mabilis ka maawa, no? And kasi yun yung kailangan mong panghawakan na kailangan mong baguhin ang yung pananaw or kaisipan. Additional messages about sa career. So, magiging maganda raw, magkakaroon ng new beginning pagdating sa career mo. There's a Ten of Cups with the happiness. Na magiging masaya ka dyan sa larangan na kinuha mo or kursong kinuha mo. Additional messages about naman tayo sa love life. So, this is the 8 of Wands for fast communication and fast movement. So, maaaring kumaga magkaroon ng travel, message, email, phone calls, tong eksena mo pagdating sa love life. So, there's a Ten of Swords. May sabotage, no? May sumasabotahe sa inyong relasyon. Mga pagdating sa relasyon, kumbaga mayroong gumawa siguro ng eksena para lagi kang sawi, no? Lagi ka nasasaktan, lagi ka nabibigo. And there's something the Hermit. See, I told you, this is a spiritual problem, a spiritual awakening. Parang minumulat ka dito na you need to pay attention. Ginawang ka dito ha, para kung sino mamahalin mo, iiwan ka pag lalaroon ka, or something magkakaroon ng coldness, no? So, let's see what is additional messages about sa health. Sa health mo naman, guys, so there's something Ace of Wands for a new beginning. No? Magkakaroon ka ng bagong simula at maaaring magiging maganda ang kalagayan, ang kalusugan mo. There's a Nine of Pentacles with the blossoming. No? Magiging masagana lang ang kalusugan mo dito. Additional messages tayo with the Move Oracle deck. This is a Money Move Oracle deck for a money and career reading. So, let's see. Angels please give me information pa. So, there's something, bright idea. So, magkakaroon ka ng ano dito, mga bagong idea, no? Kung magpapasok sa yung bagong trabaho, bagong negosyo, or mayroon kang discarding gagawin, no? Parang maraming papasok na mga bagong dapat mong gawin, no? Na itong bagay na to ay gagawin mo or kikilos ka dito sa situation na to. At baka ito yung magdadala sa'yo ng bagong simula, no? Baka dito ka mag-trend. And because there's something winning, no? Ipapanalo mo tong eksena na to. Huwag mo nang isipin yung mga nangyari sa'yo from the past kasi it's a something inspiration or something of motivation para makalaya ka sa situation. Dahil kasi sinasabi dito, there's something authority, no? Kumbaga, be have a self of confidence. No, kailangan lakasan mo loob mo na kumbaga kaya mong kontrolin yung situation, yung role na ibinigay sa iyo, na kumbaga irerespeto ka ng ninuman, na kumbaga meron kang kakayanan at kaalaman, no, na para galangin ka ng mga tao sa paligid mo. Ganon. Kumbaga bigyan mo ng ano yung sarili mo dito, no, maging matured. Additional messages about sa love lives. This is a Mystic Love Oracle deck. So, let's see. And find out. Char. Because there is something, text message, unsent message. So, mayroon nagbe-message sa'yo pero binubura din. No? Mayroon nagbubura, nagbe-message siya doon sa person mo. Mayroon sumasabotahe para hindi niya matanggap yung mga message mo. Or either nagbubura ng message. No? Additional messages with an angel spirit. So, there's something of freedom, surrender. Pakawalan mo, ha? Kung alam mo, niluloko kung itong tao na to ay playboy, playgirl, kailangan pakawalan, no? Ayaw mo, kumaga, baguhin mo yung extent pagdating sa love life. So, there's something, watch your back, no? There's an enemy. Meron ditong, kumaga, sabi ko nga, may sumasabot tayo sa love life mo, eh. Diba? Sinabi ko na yung before, na mayroong gumagawa ng extent mo pagdating sa love life. See? There's a watch your back, and there's an enemy. No, kinakalaban ka at mayroon talagang gumawa ng eksena sa iyo. So, let's see. What is the magical fair messages? Magical fair messages. So, there's a debt paid off. So, there's something, the old weight and habit of debt is lifting from you and your life. So, pakawalan mo yung bigat na nararamdaman mo. Yung, kumbaga, ngit-ngit, galit, no? And because there's something affirmation, no? There's something to lift up your thoughts and energy and to attract what you desire. Use a positive affirmation. Always think positive, no? So, let's see what is additional messages for Yin and Yang Oracle card. For Yin and Yang Oracle card, represent what? Represent assistance. Now, with the spirit guides, na may gumagabay daw sa'yo dito. Meron kang gabay, ha, in fairness. May gabay ka dito. There's a close-up. Now, there's a guarded. No, kailangan mo kumawala sa ano mo. Sa kinakatakutan mo, it's either comfort zone to. Now, there's a comfort zone. No? Natatakot ka kasi maiwanan, natatakot kang magsisi, o natatakot kang magkamali, ganon. And of course, there's something unexpected storm, no? Kumbaga may unos talaga na susubok buwagin ka, susubok sirain ka. Na parang bagyo to eh. Tignan ko hanggang saan katatataag, ganon. So let's see what is the synchronicities. And of course, there's an information with the teacher. Now, there's something guardian. An eagle. Now, kumbaga, there's a messenger. So, may gumagabay sa'yo, may nagtuturo sa'yo dito. No, there's something reveal. Mag-ingat ka, ha? Meron tao nang lilin lang daw sa'yo dito. Tinuturo yung mga bagay na hindi, para hindi, kumbaga, hindi mo makuha yung opportunity na yun. Nililigaw ka. And is na sense ko dito. May taong nag-ano sa'yo, sumusulsol. Yung pinaparating sa'yo, hindi totoo. For the angels, answer represent what? And there's an in the near future. Nasa nalalapit mong future, magiging maganda na eksena mo. Ask for help from others. So, kailangan mo ng tulong ng ibang tao. At there's this opportunity for you na darating na. So, let's see what is the romance angels. What is the romance angels represent what? And the playfulness. See, I told you, pagdating sa love life, diba? This is something playfulness. So, ibig sabihin na kailangan mo humarot or yung person mo ay kumaga humaharot. And there's an engagement. So, other half guys, ha, meron naman ditong there's something engagement for higher level commitment, no? So, let's see what is the energy. What is this energy represent what? And there's an hostilities. Now, protect your power, protect your energy. At the same time, the guard and the gate. So, this is something discoveries. Marami ka pang malalaman at matutuklasan. Now, binibigay na sa iyo yung tamang daan o yung mga pintuan parating sa katotohanan. There's the thinking man. Now, meron ditong person na go-overthink or tinitignan ka nitong person na to bilang isang diamond na napakahalaga. At importante, there's an all tied up. Kailangan mo na kumawala sa nakaraan at kailangan mo na kumawala sa kinagagalawan mo. So, let's see. What is the chakra messages? For the chakra messages represent what? The rejection. See, I told you, marami talaga nagbubuyo sa'yo. Nilalagay ka sa hindi magandang eksena. Okay, guys, ha? Kumbaga, meron talaga mga brainwash sa paligid mo. Mag-ingat ka. And there's a vanity, no? Kumbaga, may mga bisyo or may mga luho dito, iwasan mo, ha? And there's a complacency, no? Kumbaga, wag mong hayaan, kumbaga, para mapag-iwanan ka ng eksena, no? Kailangan mong, kumbaga, wag mong hayaan magsisi ka sa huli. No? Kailangan mong gawin na bumangon at makaalis sa situation. Let's see what is the additional messages. So, there's an Archangel Michael. Forgive yourself if you've done nothing wrong. No? Patawarin mo yung sarili mo, wala kang mang ginawang mali. And honor and trust your feelings. No? Lagi mo panghahawakan ng iyong nararamdaman. It's a gut feeling, and of course, there is something a women instinct or men instinct. Additional messages. And of course, there's an information with a positive thought create a positive result. Always think positive, ha? Iwasan mong mag-isip ng mga negative dito, guys. Baka ma-attract mo. So, let's see what is Archangel Raphael. Archangel Raphael messages for you. Alright, there's a divine intervention. May paalala sa iyo ang ating divine. Makinig ka, ha, mayroong paalala or pangitain. And there's a laughter is the best medicine. Na kailangan mo maging masaya din, ha, hindi pa din lungkot-lungkutan ka. Kailangan mo rin magsaya kahit papano. So let's see what is additional messages for an angel spirit guides. For an angel spirit, let's see. And there's a judgment. So, there's something uniqueness. No? Kung magkakaiba tayo ng eksena, wag mo husgan yung isang bagay, no, nang hindi mo pala nalalaman. And there's a relationship, no, lalo-lalo na pagdating sa relasyon. May kinalaman daw dito, ha. Wag mo husgahan din ang sarili mo, na maaaring kumbaga natatakot ka kasi baka kumbaga wala na magkagusto so wala na magmahal sa'yo, ganito ganyan. No. Kailangan mong bumangon. So, let's see what is the Monsology. Monsology is conclusion or within reach. Na tama yung hinala mo. And because this is something work through your fears. So, see, labanan mo yung takot at pangamba mo. At sinasabi dito for the last card is look at the bigger picture. Tingnan mo yung mga bagay na kahihinatnan, yung posibilidad. Ha? So, let's see what is additional messages for an angel spirit guides. For an angel spirit guide, please give me information. There is something, dream time soul travel. There's an astral travel, guys, na may kakayanan ka, ha, para makita yung mga bagay na mangyayari sa hinaharap, or para magkaroon ka ng clues, or kung ano yung nangyayari behind your back. And there's, I told you, third eye, may clairvoyance, may kakayanan ka, guys, ha, may kaalaman ka pagdating sa spiritual. Use it in a good way, no? Kung magagamitin mo yan sa tama, wag mong gamitin yan sa hindi magandang eksena. There's something boundaries. Kayang-kaya mo mag-set ng boundaries, or kailangan mo mag-set ng boundaries dito, guys. So, let's see what is additional messages. Alam mo, guys, ginagawan ka dito sa relasyon. No? Nakikita mo yung pangitain kapag nananaginip ka, tapos biglang, ay, mangyayari, gato, ganyan, no? And because there's something school, no? There's something lessons. Marami kang dapat malaman at matutunan. And there's a study, see? Research. Tuklasin mo kung ano yung nangyayari sa paligid mo, bakit ganito, ganyan. Lagi ka nandun ka na sa stages na mahal mo na, tapos biglang may maglolo ko. Ganon. Kumbaga, kasi nasa palad mo or may ginawa sa yung sumpa or kamalasan pagdating sa love life, ganon na magiging ganap mo. Kailangan putulin yon. And there's something wait. No? Kailangan mo hintayin yung isang bagay, no? Lalo-lalo na yung mga bagay na para sa'yo. And of course, there's something karmic relationship. See, I told you, this is something karmic relationship na binibigyan ng complications. So, let's see what is the Jesus loving quotes. What is the Jesus loving quote said? Jesus loving quote said, seek and you shall find. So, see, kung hindi mo hahanapin, hindi mo makikita ang sagot. Diba? Kumbaga, alam mo na yung mga tanong mo sa buhay mo, pero ayaw mong hanapin kung ano yung solusyon. Diba? Hindi ko alam kung natatakot ka or ayaw mo lang. So, let's see what is the angel's number. What is the angel's number? Represent what? Angel's number represent what? And there's something 3334 social skills. So, this is the hope. Now, there's something hope and success and prosperity, excitement, enthusiasm. The problem you have today will eventually disappear. Your guardian angel encourages you to maintain a positive outlook on life in the sense your luck is maybe about to change. It is your time to use your captivating energy and inspirational personality. Don't let your ego get the best of you. So, alisin mo yung ego and pride mo, ha? Kumbaga, pagdating sa mga bagay-bagay, kung ano yung magbibigay sa'yo ng solusyon, gawin mo. No? Minsan may kakayanan ka at may katangian ka at kaalaman ka, pero hindi mo alam yung iba yung binigay sa yung power at iba yung binigay sa yung kakayanan sa ibinigay ng nasa taas na kakayanan dun sa taong may alam about sa nangyayari sa buhay mo. So, ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga magkakaiba ng kaalaman at kakayanan yung ipinagkakaloob sa tao, no? At iba yung gift mo, iba yung gift ng iba, no? Kaya wag mong iniisip na may kakayanan ka tapos hindi mo kaya. Yes, kasi magkakaiba po kayo ng kakayanan at kaalaman. So, kumbaga, it's either massage therapist ka, hindi porket massage therapist ka, kaya mo na maghilo, kaya mo na magtawas, no? Maggamot ng kulam. Hindi po ganun yun, ha? Kapag po yun yung gift nyo, ay gift nyo, no? Hindi nyo pwedeng kunin yung gift din ng iba na malalaman at makukuha mo yun. Hindi. Kapag binigay sa iyo yun, natural na magpo-fulfill yun. No, lalabas yun sa yon. So, let's see what is the messages of life. So, there's I have faith in life. So, kailangan mo magtiwala at maniwala sa ibinigay sa iyong buhay. No, may dahilan yan. Today, I give myself to the life I live in that now, without concern for tomorrow, because God is always near and will never let me fall. My faith surrounds me with the light no matter the circumstances I let go, having faith that life will always provide what is most beneficial for my soul. So, see? Kumbaga, ibinigay sa iyo yung buhay na yan, no? Ibinigay sa iyo yung bagay na karapat-dapat sa iyo. Magpasalamat ka sa buhay at kaalaman at kakayanan na ipinagkalob sa iyo, no? Kumbaga, magtiwala ka na ibinigay sa iyo yung bagay na yan para malaman mo, matuklasan yung mga bagay na magbibigay sa iyo ng kaalaman o mas madadagdagan pa ang kaalaman, no? Kailangan mo lang matutunan pahalagahan kung ano man yung mga bagay na ipinagkaloob sa iyo. So guys, this is a month gabay for the month of July 2024 for the sign of Pisces. So, Pisces, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So, once again, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos updated. Kasi maraming salamat po sa mga walang samang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-skip ng ads na way pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik, liglig na gumapaw na biyayang manabalik sa inyo. At maraming salamat po. And see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush.